Today, we're tapping on something that every person in business needs: clients, customers, the people out there right now who genuinely need what you have to offer, who have the money to pay for it, and who would be thrilled to find you. Because here's the thing, they exist. There are billions of people on this planet, and a very real percentage of them are looking for exactly what you provide. The question isn't whether your ideal clients are out there. The question is whether you're energetically open to letting them in. Because you can have all the skills, all the gifts, all the value in the world. And if something underneath the surface is broadcasting a closed sign, the right people will walk right past you without knowing why. Today, we're taking that sign down. We're clearing whatever has been quietly keeping your ideal clients away and turning you into a powerful, genuine client magnet. So close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, imagine your ideal client finding you. Not you chasing them finding you, drawn to you, excited about what you have to offer, ready to say yes. See them showing up in your world through a message, a referral, a search, a chance encounter, and feeling completely aligned with what you have to give. Now, notice if any part of you tightens around that image, any part that questions whether you're good enough, ready enough, or deserving of that kind of flow. Any part that's been quietly broadcasting, we're not quite open yet. Just notice it. That's what we're clearing today. So take a breath in and open your eyes. If you're new to tapping, just tap where I tap, side of the hand, and say what I say. Repeat after me. Even though part of me has been unconsciously blocking the clients I say I want, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I've been energetically sending the right people away without even realizing it, I choose to love and honor myself and open up to something different starting right now. Even though I have fears around attracting clients and being truly seen for what I offer, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm ready to hang the open for business sign today. I choose to be a client magnet. And part of me isn't sure I'm ready for that. Part of me questions whether what I offer is good enough. Part of me wonders if I really deserve that kind of flow. All this doubt running quietly underneath. All this fear of truly being seen. All this resistance to letting the right people in. Keeping my energy unclosed. But there are people out there right now who genuinely need what I have to offer, who have the money to pay for it, and who would be so grateful to find me. And I've been energetically turning them away without even knowing it. I'm clearing whatever has caused that at a cellular level, all the way back through my past. Every fear of being seen, every belief that I'm not ready, every story that says I don't deserve this level of success. Every time I played small, when I could have shown up fully, I'm releasing all of it now. It was never the truth, and it doesn't get to run the show anymore. I have real gifts to share. I have real value to offer. And there is absolutely an audience for what I have. The right clients are out there. Those people I can best serve. Those people who will most appreciate what I bring. Those people who are happy and excited to pay for it. And I am drawing them to me now. I am hanging out my open for business sign. And I am letting people find it. I am clearing any fear of attracting clients. I am clearing any fear of being fully seen. I am allowing myself to be excited about what I have to offer. Because when I'm excited about it, other people feel that and they want in. I am a powerful client magnet. The right people are finding me. I am open to them. I am ready for them. I welcome them. I serve them fully. And I allow them to reward me generously for it. This is the energy I am putting out into the world. I choose to be a client magnet. I am open for business. Fully and completely. The right clients are on their way. From directions I expect and from directions that surprise me. In my body, in my mind, and in my soul. Close your eyes and breathe in slowly. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, come back to that image of your ideal client finding you. Notice if it feels any different now, any more natural, any more like something that's genuinely on its way. Let the feeling of being open, visible, and magnetic settle into every part of you. This is your new energy. Not chasing, not convincing, not pushing, just being so fully open and so genuinely excited about what you offer that the right people can't help but find their way to you. That sign is up now, and the right people are already on their way. Take a breath in and open your eyes. The clients you want are out there. They always have been. And the work you just did is some of the most important business work you'll ever do. Because no strategy, no funnel, no marketing plan works as powerfully as an energy that's genuinely open and ready to receive. Keep tapping on this one. Come back to it every time you notice resistance around putting yourself out there. Because the moment your inside world fully opens up, your outside world has no choice but to reflect it. Make sure to drink a glass of water after tapping, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.